Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the Mazda 3 infotainment system and putting your phone into discoverable Bluetooth mode. This lets the car scan for devices. Once the screen is on, go to Settings, choose Bluetooth, then Add or Pair Device so the system begins searching. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is active and not connected to other devices. This reduces conflicts. If prompted, accept any permission requests on the phone. These let the car access contacts and call history for hands-free features. Once Mazda lists available devices, tap your phone's name. You want the exact label shown on your phone to avoid pairing the wrong gadget. After selection, a PIN or passkey appears. Verify the numbers on both the car screen and your phone, then confirm on each side. This step secures the connection and authorizes features. Make sure to accept requests to sync contacts and messages if you want hands-free calling and caller ID. Denying them limits functionality, but still allows audio streaming. After confirmation, set your phone as the primary or favorite device so Mazda reconnects automatically on startup. Test by making a quick call and playing audio to confirm microphone, speaker, and media profiles are working. If something fails, no sound, no calls. First restart both the phone and the infotainment unit. This clears temporary Bluetooth conflicts. If problems persist, remove the device on both systems and repeat pairing. And make sure phone software and Mazda firmware are up to date for best compatibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.